What's up, you guys? It's Haley, and I'm going to be talking to you about the AGELESS Phyto-Retinol Neck Cream. It's made with phytoretinol, which is a plant-based alternative that will still give you the same results as retinol. And now, ladies and gents, it is important not to forget the neck and the décolletage area. If you're ever concerned about crepiness or aging, signs of aging in that area, then I definitely recommend the AGELESS Phyto-Retinol Neck Cream. It's amazing. So take a little bit, massage into the neck like so. You can go upwards too. Massage into the chest area. My mom loves this product. She takes really good care of her skin and her neck and her chest, so this is one of her absolute must-haves, and I totally agree with that. Protein, peptides, and hyaluronic acid work together to intensely hydrate, replenish, and firm the skin. It's also a vegan and cruelty-free formula. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and following along, and I will see you next time.